We'll be starting TMS. I think we have already started TMS, right? Monica?
Yes.
Yeah. We have already started TMS, and I've told you that transport management system ensures consistency across systems by moving changes. Means suppose there are three.
इसको अपन स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट कर लें क्या?
Yeah, sure. Okay. मैं well इसमें क्या था कि in every organization, okay, there are three systems in SAP: development, quality, and production.
Okay.
Okay, in all the organizations, these three are the basic system. In development, we work. Okay, whatever we have to develop, like we have to create a new role, we have to modify a role, we have to create a user. We do it. We do it in development system.
Okay.
Once we have created a new role. Let's create a new role. Okay, so suppose we have created a new role. Now, how to transport it to the quality team to check? Okay, one way would be to recreate it again in that quality system. Okay, so instead what we do is, instead of creating again in production system and quality system, what we do is we simply transport that role from the development to quality team, and if it is quality check is passed, then to the production team using the transport management system. Any doubt till now?
No.
Okay, so from if we have to transport a role from one system to another, like development to quality, and then quality to production, we use TMS. Okay, it acts like a truck, and in fact, if you see Pfcg, okay, आपने अपना सर्वर क्लोज कर दिया था ना? ओके, नहीं किया था.
हाँ कर दिया था मैंने.
चलो ठीक है, मैं SAP 4 GRC वाला यूज कर रहा हूँ.
ओके.
ऑलराइट. मैं क्या बोल रहा था आपको अभी? या see, you can find this truck transport road.
हाँ.
Okay, so suppose you have created this role. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, this role, sorry, you have not. I think I have created this role. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I have created this role. In the different that system, I have created the role. So what we do is, if we have to transport it to quality team or any development team or sorry, production, what we do is we click on this check button. Okay, we enter the role name here and execute. Now you see it is asking for a transport request. We create transport request using SE09 and SE10 tcode, SE10 or SE09. Okay. So let's see मैंने को create किया है कि नहीं. Alright. अच्छा रुको, यहाँ से नहीं क्रिएट करते तो बेहतर रहेगा. So to create a new transport request, what we do is slash SE09. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this, and then we click on create. Create. See, it is asking, I'm creating a new request. Now it is asking for me, is it customized or workbench request? Okay, but these are the two types of transport requests. I will tell you that right today only, later on. So I have selected customized request. Okay, see customizing request.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, our number will be generated here once we save. Short
Okay.
description, test, STMS, test transport,
Mm-hmm.
client name and everything, and save it. See, this is the number.
Mm-hmm.
This is the transport request. Now here, what we do is execute, and we enter the transport request here, enter, and you're done. Wait, and yes, it's done. See, now that role that I have created have been added to this transport request.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, okay. So now it will be transferred to the sorry, yeah. Once we have added it, let's see if I had to use it. Okay, sorry, I haven't added a T code to myself.
Mm-hmm.
So we use SE09 to load the role or the changes. Create a new transport request and then load those changes. Use that truck symbol to load those changes to the transport request. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
once we have done, it will be released. Okay, we can
Okay.
forward it to quality team. We can forward it to production team without creating a. Okay, the same
Mm-hmm.
role, same authorizations will be transported, and it will be checked by we will be used in the other systems.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I've told you that there are two types of transport request. One is workbench and one is customizing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we use workbench request when we have to make changes into SC24. I've
Mm-hmm.
told you what is SC24, right?
Yes. In which all the SAP data is stored.
Yes. All right. So SC24. If we have to make changes to that value because all the SAP data is stored in SC24, like authorization data is sorry, all SAP authorization data is stored in SC24. Remember this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we use SC24 when we have to make changes to the SAP authorization data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And for any other changes, we use customizing request. Now let me show you. Give me a second. I'm not authorized. Um, Single role. Let me add the T code SE here. Oh, Uh, SC09, SC10, STMS. Yeah, SC24 was important. Assign these transactions, save, authorizations, code, status, full authorization, save, save, generate, and back. User में ला दिया, कंपाइलिंग कर लो है. All right, done. Now I think, yeah. Now I will be okay. So I opened SC24.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now here there are different Fiori and other applications. There are different options. But what we use here is transaction, and then enter the transaction T code SU01. Okay, and
Okay.
simply execute it. See, this is SU01. Or these are the authorization object under SU01. Uh, these are the check indicators. These are the default status. Now, if we have to check what are the authorization object that will be added to the role. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if we add this SU01 to it. So see, yes, right?
Mm-hmm.
All these are the yes under check under this default status. We can find that these auth object are yes. It means that these authorization object will be added to a role. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Give me. Let me. How much time is left? 3 minutes.
It's 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay. I will show the example tomorrow. All right.
Okay. Okay. No issue.
Okay. Because I will have to explain it. Explain this workbench request.
Mm-hmm.
So I will show this option tomorrow. All right.
Okay. Okay.